Stop right there. Before you spend $500 on a pressure washing service, before you call a contractor and get robbed blind, I need you to watch this. What you're looking at right now is house siding that has not been touched in over a decade. Green algae, black mold streaks, gray oxidation, chalky, flaking buildup baked in by years of sun and rain. It looks like the house is rotting alive. Now watch this. One spray bottle, one solution I mixed for exactly $1.50. No pressure washer, no scrubbing, no ladder gymnastics. Look at that surface now, factory fresh. I'm not joking. It looks like the siding was installed yesterday. And here is the part that is going to make you furious. This trick has existed for decades. Big home maintenance companies, power washing franchises, exterior cleaning services, they have quietly buried it. Because the moment you learn this, you never call them again. Ever. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button right now because every single week I bring you science-backed, budget-proven hacks that the industry prays you never find. Today we are talking about house siding. Vinyl, aluminum, fiber cement, wood-painted panels. This works on all of it. Stay with me until the end because I'm going to walk you through every single step, every ratio, every technique. And I promise you, your neighbors are going to think you replaced the entire exterior of your house. Let me take you back, not just a few years, back to the 1950s. Post-war America. Suburban housing was exploding everywhere. Builders needed cheap, fast, low-maintenance exterior surfaces. And the chemical industry, back then they were actually solving problems instead of creating subscription services. They developed a suite of simple alkaline and oxidizing compounds specifically designed to lift biological growth, mineral staining, and atmospheric grime off exterior surfaces. These formulas were simple, cheap, incredibly effective. And they were written into early home maintenance guides, hardware store pamphlets, even some regional building codes as standard annual care. Here is where it gets interesting. Somewhere in the 1980s, the home services industry started to boom. Power washing franchises, exterior cleaning companies, multi-truck operations with $1,000 packages. And suddenly, those old pamphlets disappeared from hardware stores. The chemistry guides stopped being printed. The knowledge got buried under marketing brochures for professional services. Why would a company selling a $400 exterior wash want you to know that a $1.50 spray does the same job? They would not. They could not afford for you to know. And so, generation after generation of homeowners grew up thinking that dirty siding requires a professional, requires expensive equipment, requires annual contracts. I found the original formula, and I am not exaggerating here, buried in a 1962 cooperative extension publication from a state agricultural university. They were recommending it for keeping farm building exteriors clean, simple, documented, proven, and completely forgotten. Until today. Here is the beauty of this. You do not need anything exotic. You do not need to order anything online. Everything on this list is sitting in your grocery store or hardware store right now. Let me walk you through it. Ingredient 1, oxygen bleach powder, also sold as sodium percarbonate. You may see it labeled as OxyClean or generic oxygen bleach at dollar stores and hardware stores. A large bag costs around $3 to $5 and will last you years. Per batch today, we are using roughly 50 cents worth. This is the engine of our formula. Ingredient 2, dish soap, regular Blue Dawn, or any degreasing dish liquid. You already own this. Cost per use, essentially 0. 3 or 4 drops is all you need. Ingredient 3, warm water from your tap. Free. Ingredient 4, a spray bottle, $1 at the dollar store, or reuse any old bottle you have at home. Optional add-in, white vinegar. If your siding has heavy mineral deposits or hard water staining alongside the biological growth, add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar to the mix. White vinegar costs about $1 a bottle and lasts forever. Total cost per application, $1 to $1.50. For an average-sized house exterior. Let that sink in. You will also need a garden hose with a spray nozzle for rinsing, and optionally, a soft bristle brush on an extension pole for any stubborn patches. But honestly, most of the time, you will not even need it. I know some of you are wondering, how does this actually work? Let me break it down simply. No chemistry degree required. Sodium percarbonate, our oxygen bleach powder, is a compound made of sodium carbonate and hydrogen peroxide bonded together. When you dissolve it in warm water, it releases hydrogen peroxide and soda ash. Here is what that does to your siding. The hydrogen peroxide is an oxidizer. It attacks the cellular walls of algae, mold, mildew, and lichen. It does not just bleach the surface color, it actually destroys the biological organism at a molecular level. This means the green algae and black mold do not come back nearly as fast, because they are dead, not just hidden. The soda ash, which is an alkaline compound, acts as a surfactant booster and pH raiser. Alkaline environments break the bond between atmospheric grime, pollution particles, and your siding surface. It lifts the gray oxidation and chalky residue that builds up from UV exposure and general pollution. The dish soap reduces surface tension. This means the solution spreads across the siding evenly, penetrates into textured surfaces and channels, and does not just bead off. It makes the active ingredients do their job properly. Now combine that with a 10 to 15 minute dwell time, meaning you let it sit and work. And you get a chemical reaction that no scrubbing, no pressure washing, and no expensive cleaner can beat for the price. The science is old. The science is proven. The science is on your side. All right, let us get into it. Here's the exact process from start to finish. Follow every step precisely. Step 1. Assess your siding type. Before mixing anything, look at your siding. Vinyl siding, this method is perfect, fully safe, works brilliantly. Aluminum siding works great. You will be amazed. Painted wood siding works well, but test a small hidden area first. Fiber cement like hardy plank, excellent results. Brick and stucco, yes, this works here too, with slight adjustments I will mention. If you have raw, unfinished wood, do not use this method. Oxygen bleach can raise the grain and cause damage. Step 2. Mix your solution. Take your spray bottle, fill it with warm water. Not boiling, not cold, just warm from the tap. For a standard 1 liter bottle, add 2 tablespoons of oxygen bleach powder. Add 3 to 4 drops of dish soap. If you are adding vinegar for mineral staining, add 2 tablespoons now. Cap the bottle. Swirl gently. Do not shake hard or you will create too much foam. You will see the powder dissolve within 30 seconds. The solution should look slightly milky or faintly blue if using branded oxygen bleach. That is perfect. That is your formula, right there. Step 3. Prepare the area. Wet down any plants, bushes, or grass immediately around the siding you are treating. Just a light rinse with your garden hose. Oxygen bleach is far safer than chlorine bleach. It is oxygen-based and biodegradable, but a quick precaution never hurts. Move any outdoor furniture, decorations, or objects away from the work zone. You do not need to cover windows, but if you have older unsealed window trim, give it a quick wet down as well. Step 4. Wet the siding. First, before applying your formula, lightly wet the section of siding you're working on with plain water from your garden hose. This matters. Pre-wetting prevents the formula from drying too quickly on hot surfaces, which can cause streaking. Work in sections, roughly a 10 to 15 foot wide panel at a time. Do not try to do the entire house at once. Work section by section for best results. Step 5. Apply the formula, starting from the bottom of the section and working up. This is critical. If you spray top down, the formula drips down over dry siding and leaves streaks. Bottom to top, spray liberally. You want the surface visibly wet and coated, not just misted. Get into every groove, every channel, every horizontal ledge. Can you see that? Look at the green algae patches. The formula is already reacting. You can see it starting to fizz slightly on the heavier biological patches. That fizzing is the oxygen release, the hydrogen peroxide doing its job. Beautiful. Step 6. Dwell time. This is where most people go wrong. They spray and immediately try to rinse. Do not do that. Walk away. Let the formula sit on the surface for 10 to 15 minutes minimum. For heavy green algae or black mold, go 20 minutes. Do not let it dry completely. On a hot sunny day, you may want to respray lightly at the 10-minute mark to keep it wet. The chemistry needs time to work. Be patient. This is where the magic happens. Step 7. Check the surface. After 15 minutes, walk back and look at the siding. Look at those green algae patches. They are already turning brown or gray. That means they are dead. The black mold streaks are fading. The chalky oxidation looks like it has softened. You have not scrubbed a single inch. You have not touched it since you sprayed. Just chemistry doing exactly what it was designed to do. Step 8. Light brush if needed. For 90% of surfaces, you will not need this step. But if you have very heavy buildup, years of layered algae or deep-set staining, take your soft bristle brush and give the surface a very gentle pass. No scrubbing, no pressure. Just a light wipe to loosen anything that did not fully break down. This takes 30 seconds per panel. That is it. Step 9. Rinse from top down. Now grab your garden hose. Start at the top of the section this time, opposite of how you applied. Rinse with a firm stream, angled slightly downward. Watch. Look at what is running off. Green, black, gray. All of it coming off in the rinse water. The siding underneath is already changing color. Lighter, cleaner. Keep rinsing until the water runs completely clear. No streaks, no residue. Step 10. Move to the next section. Repeat steps 4 through 9 on each section of the house. Overlap your sections slightly so you do not get visible lines between treated and untreated areas. Work your way around the entire exterior systematically. For an average single-story home, this entire process takes about 90 minutes to 2 hours. 2 hours to transform the entire exterior of a house for $1.50. Stand back. Look at this. Look at this. That is the same house, same siding. Not replaced, not repainted, not pressure washed with a $1,000 machine. One spray formula, $1.50. The green algae, completely gone. The black mold streaks, not faded, not lighter, gone. The chalky gray oxidation that was making the house look ancient, lifted completely. The original color of the siding is back. Not close to the original color. The original color. And here's what makes this even more incredible. Because we used oxygen bleach, which destroys the biological organisms instead of just bleaching them, the algae and mold regrowth is significantly slowed. Chlorine bleach just bleaches the color away. The organism is still alive, still rooted in the surface, and comes back within weeks. Oxygen bleach kills it. Results typically last 12 to 18 months before you need a maintenance application. $1.50 once a year, versus $400 to $800 for a professional power wash every year. Do the math. Over 10 years, that is $4,000 minimum back in your pocket. Because you watched this video today, now I always cover safety because I want you doing this right. A few important notes. Protective gear. Wear safety glasses when spraying. The solution is mild, but you do not want any in your eyes. Gloves are optional, but recommended if you have sensitive skin. Chlorine bleach. Do not mix this formula with chlorine bleach. I know some people will be tempted to add a splash of regular bleach thinking it makes it stronger. It does not. Mixing oxygen bleach and chlorine bleach creates a reaction that releases chlorine gas. That is dangerous. Just use the formula as I showed you. It is more effective anyway. Hot days. On very hot days, the formula can dry faster. Keep a second bottle of plain water nearby to lightly re-wet sections if needed during dwell time. Painted wood surfaces. Always spot test a hidden area first. Let it dry completely and check for any color change before doing the full surface. Metal fixtures. Any exposed metal near the siding, light fixtures, outlet covers, metal trim. Give them a quick coat of petroleum jelly before spraying. This protects them from any potential oxidation. Wipe it off after rinsing. Windows. Rinse windows immediately after any formula contact. Oxygen bleach on glass can leave a haze if left to dry. A quick rinse is all you need. Roof overhangs. If your spray drifts onto asphalt shingles, that is fine. Oxygen bleach is actually excellent for asphalt shingle cleaning too. Bonus tip for free. Here is where we are. You now know a formula that the home maintenance industry has quietly kept away from you for decades. $1.50. Oxygen bleach powder from your dollar store or hardware store. A few drops of dish soap. Warm water, a spray bottle, 10 to 15 minutes of dwell time, and your house siding looks like it just rolled off the factory floor. No pressure washer, no contractor, no annual maintenance contract, no scrubbing. Permanently cleaner for months, and forever gone from your list of expensive problems. Now I want to know something from you. Drop a comment below. What is the dirtiest surface in or around your home that you want me to tackle next? Concrete driveways, roof shingles, fencing, garage floors, deckwood? Tell me. I read every comment, and I build the next video around what you need. If this video saved you money today, and I know it did, hit that like button. It costs you nothing, and it tells the algorithm that real people want real information. Subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video, because next week I am going deep on another buried formula that the industry does not want in your hands. You found this channel for a reason. Stay curious, stay resourceful, and never pay full price again. I will see you in the next one.